Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to make a playlist on Amazon Music. So in order to do this, first of all, open Amazon Music application on your mobile phone. Make sure you have installed and updated the app and you will see this page. After logging in, click on the library button here at the bottom right. When you click on library, you'll be on this page where you'll have to click on the playlist icon at the top left. When you click on playlist, you will see this plus new icon that says new playlist. Click on that icon and you can name your playlist anything you want. So I will name this playlist fun and click on save. You can also choose to make it public. If you don't want to make it public, just turn this off and click on save and you would have successfully created a new playlist. Now after doing this, you can click on add songs button and search for new songs and add any song you want. For example, I'm searching for a song that is named After Dark. I will type the name, then click on search and I will click on this plus icon and this will instantly add that song to my playlist. I will click on save and as you can see I have successfully created a new playlist named Fun. You can click on plus new playlist, name anything you want, click on save and you would have successfully created another playlist on Amazon Music. So that is how you do it. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.